Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So I'm looking at a Jayco Eagle, and this one we're getting ready to do a body reseal on. So this one's going to be a little bit challenging. So basically, let me come in and zoom in closer and show you what we're looking at. So owner purchased this, and I guess somebody else had sealed it. And as you can see, they've put sealant globbed up everywhere, all over. So this is going to take a lot longer time frame to go ahead and clean this guy up. You can see how it's just kind of everywhere, all over the whole coach. So it's real important that, you know, if you don't know what you're doing sealing, that you don't want to do this to it. So you can see how bad this is, and this is carried along like this, and you know, on the sides and all over everywhere throughout the whole entire unit. This is probably, I'm not gonna say this is the worst one I've seen, but this is within the top 10 for sure. So they spackled sealant everywhere, all over it, really bad, right? So they got it over all the decals, so we're gonna have to be really careful on the decals. They got it all over the fender skirts, the J metal, the skirting, the screw cover. And you can see how bad, so all this dirt, I mean, there's physically the silicone that's all over the walls, you know, everything that they could hit. And it's an excessive amount. I mean, it's just caked on there. So you're talking body reseal plus however long it basically takes to do this to get it off. And it's kind of, the guys even are like, oh my God, what do we got to, you know, this is not going to be fun at all because it's just going to be so time consuming. So you can see Byron's over here starting on it, and it's just literally caked and caked and caked. So he's just got to scrub and scrape and scrub and scrape until he gets it off. And so, you know, a little bit at a time, as you can see, he's just sitting here scraping it off. But it's just nasty on there. And so, I mean, he could spend an hour easily, if not longer, just doing this one molding. And then, of course, having to contend with the decals. So he said it's around every window, all the compartment doors, all the, you know, pretty much everything that's on this coach, you know, around all the lights. You can see how thick that is, you know, and how spooged it is all the way over. And they did that throughout the whole unit. You know, they went clear around things that they didn't need to go around. They, you know, caked it all on there. So we don't know if there's been water getting in. We don't know what area this unit came from. We'll have to pull. And then, of course, you can see where the decals were already damaged. And you can see the decals already damaged. And we don't know if this molding, this molding's loose. So I would imagine that all the screws and stuff are all compromised behind this. So we'll have to, you know, pull the insert molding down and check it as well. You can see the decals damaged here and all the sealant applied. So this one's going to be a pretty rough chore, and they got it, you know, caked on and up around everything. So anyways, when I say water deflection service, this is not what we want you to do. You know, they did all underneath all the compartments. You know, you can see how thick that is put on there, all down at the lower moldings. You know, so like I said, the guys that have to scrape all this off, wipe it all down, go back, clean it, and then reseal it. And then Terry's getting ready to start in on this side. Hey, Terry, I'm doing a video, so, you know, did you open up the slide outs to see if it's
I don't even dare.
If it's all over the slide outs too?
I don't even want to look.
Did you check to see how the slide out seals were at all? No, not yet.
Want to look.
So yeah, I mean, this is. I said this is not the worst one I've seen, but this is top. You know, within the top 10.
It's gonna be fun.
I had one time that I physically did myself, and they made a mess like this, but they used the old par bond like a geocell.
Yeah, that's what some of this is.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be
a nightmare to take it off.
Yeah.
Yep.
You do what you can, and then use a color
to kind of hide it and clean it up
with a color match caulking.
Now there's a bunch of decals on the other side that's already tore up and chewed up. So, you know, I mean, when you go to do your pictures, you know, obviously, any of the decals, if you're the owner, are going to be seeing this at some point, just know that the decals everywhere are all messed up, everywhere. When we go to take this off, it's going to damage those. You can see this one's already messed up. Every single decal that they've coated over, we have to be extra careful and get off what we can get off without damaging it even any worse. But it's like that throughout this whole entire coach. And then Terry, both of his lower rails are completely, been moving. You can even push on them and see that they're going and flexing. Yeah. So when we get all that clean, you're going to want to pull that insert molding out. That's not even the normal insert molding. Somebody put in the flat stuff, and I can feel the screw on this one right here.
You can see them.
Yep. So I see the screw down there too. So keep in mind that this is all going to take a lot more time than normal.
Oh yeah.
You can only scrape on this so much per day before your hands start hurting. So it's like, customers will see our service menu and they'll say, oh, body reseal, no big deal. And like this one, you can compare how thick the sealant is on stuff compared to this side. I mean, it's a nasty wreck. It's going to take literally forever. So like I said back here when Byron was doing this one, just to clean this little area could take you an hour, if not longer. So, all right. Well, hey, thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Dustin, our specialist.